Dear students, welcome in online class 9. Today we discuss question answer from chapter 6 tissue. सबसे पहले जब आप चैप्टर की हेडिंग डालोगे तो आप ये फ्लो चार्ट बनाओगे प्लांट टिश्यू का, देन एनिमल टिश्यू, फिर आप क्वेश्चन आंसर करना स्टार्ट करोगे. व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स? द सेल्स आर लिविंग एंड आर इन कॉन्टिन्यूअस स्टेट ऑफ डिवीजन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ लेटरल मेरिस्टम. आंसर इज कॉर्क और कॉर्क कैम्बियम. Next question, what is the function of cambium? Answer is cambium gives rise to secondary tissues such as wood and adds up the growth of the plant. Next question, from tissue culture, which type of tissue you will prefer, meristematic or permanent? Why? Only meristematic tissue has power of cell division, so we will prefer meristem from tissue culture. Next question, what is the function of apical meristem? Answer is the function of apical meristem is to increase the length of the plant. Next question, name 3 types of simple tissue in plants. Answer is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Next question, what is apical meristem? Where is apical meristem found? Answer is apical meristem is found in the apex of root and shoot. Next question, husks of coconut is made up of which type of tissue? Husks of coconut is made up of sclerenchyma tissue. Next question, what are the constituents of phloem tissue? Answer is phloem tissue consists of sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. Next question, what are vascular tissue? Those tissue which are associated with the conduction of water and food material within the plant body are called vascular tissue. Xylem and phloem are the examples of this tissue. Next question, name 3 elements of vascular tissue in which pits are present. Answer is xylem, tracheids, vessel and phloem sieve cells. Next question, what are tendons? These are connective tissue which connect muscles to bone. Next question, name the protein present in the tendons fiber. Answer is collagen. What are ligaments? These are flexible bundle shaped connective tissue which connect one bone to another bone. Name the protein present in the fiber of ligament. Answer is elastin protein. Name the fat storing tissue, adipose tissue. Answer, 2 important types of cells present in areolar tissue. Answer is mast cells and macrophages. Name the protein present in cartilage. Answer is chondrin. How many muscles are present in human body? Answer is 639. What is the most special property of muscles fiber? Answer is contractility. Next question, how is the cardiac muscle differ from straightened or smooth muscles? Cardiac muscles are differentiated into 2 ways. They never get tried. They have branched fibers. Which type of cells is directly associated with our muscles? Answer is straightened or voluntary muscles. Next question, name the muscles which make up the body many visceral organ. Answer is smooth muscles. Next question, name the tissue responsible for the movement in our body. Answer is vascular tissue. This question, give 3 features of cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are cylindrical, highly branched and unbranched. Next question, what is a neuron? Neuron are nerve cells in the unit of nervous system which serves to transmit impulse from one place to another within the body. Next question, what are the important properties of neuron? Excitability, irritability and conductivity. Next question, name the granules present in the cytoplasm of nerve cells. Nissls granules. Next question, give 2 difference among straightened, unstraightened and cardiac muscles on the basis of their structure and location in the body. इस तरह का फ्लो चार्ट बनाएंगे, हेडिंग डालेंगे, फिर उसके बारे में लिखेंगे. ओके. देन आप फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे। जैसे ही वो चीज़ें बन जाएंगी, जैसे उसके नीचे या साइड वाले पेज में आप तीनों के फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे। गिव डिफरेंस बिटवीन पैरेन्काइमा एंड कोलेनकाइमा टिश्यू। सेम चार्ट बनाएंगे। पैरेन्काइमा लिविंग सेल्स आर लिविंग, कोलेनकाइमा में सेल्स आर, उसमें सेल आर लिविंग, यहाँ सेल्स आर लिविंग। सेल वॉल आर थिन एंड दे हैव नो सेकेंडरी decomposition. Cell walls are thick and have decomposition of pectin. Pits are present, pits are absent. Cells are mainly isodiametric. Cells are isodiametric but angular also. Intracellular space are present, intracellular space are absent. Function: synthesis of food as packing and storage tissue. Provides mechanism, support and flexibility. Describe the structure of a neuron with the help of a label diagram. A neuron consists of mainly two portions, cyton and axon. फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे, फिर साइटॉन के बारे में सारी चीज़ें और एक्सॉन के बारे में पूरी चीज़ें। ओके, प्रॉपरली कॉपी में काम करिए। ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।